Do you want to build wealth without sacrificing your love for naps and Netflix binges? If that sounds like your kind of deal, then you're in the right place. Picture this, a champion of leisure, our protagonist, who can't resist the allure of a good binge watch. He's got a comfy couch, a stocked fridge, and a remote control perpetually within reach. But there's a catch, he also wants to be rich. Quite the conundrum, wouldn't you agree? If you're anything like our leisure-loving hero, you've probably found yourself stuck in this very same predicament. On one hand, you've got dreams of financial freedom, of not having to worry about the next bill. On the other hand, the thought of giving up your dose of downtime is nothing short of horrifying. So, can you really have your cake, or rather your Netflix marathon, and eat it too? Stay tuned to learn how you can become a lazy millionaire too. Believe it or not, some people have figured out how to make money while they sleep, literally. You might be thinking, sure, that sounds like a dream, but it's just that, a dream. But hold on to your remote controls, because this is not some fantasy. Let's dive into a world where the hustle isn't always necessary, where folks have managed to build wealth through passive income streams and automated investments. Meet Jane, a self-proclaimed Netflix aficionado. She's not a high-flying executive or a Wall Street whiz. Instead, she's like many of us, someone who enjoys a good binge-watch session. But here's the kicker. Jane has managed to build a comfortable nest egg, not through grueling hours at the office, but through smart, automated investments. She set up her accounts, chose her investment vehicles, and then let technology do the work. Then there's John. He's got a knack for napping. His friends often joke that he could sleep through an earthquake, but while he's snoozing, his bank account is anything but dormant. John's secret? He's tapped into the power of passive income, earning money from rental properties and online ventures that require minimal upkeep. And let's not forget Sarah. She loves her leisure time, but she also loves the feeling of financial security. Her solution? A side gig that requires little effort, completing online surveys. She earns a steady stream of income one click at a time, while curled up on her couch with her favorite shows playing in the background. These lazy millionaires have figured out the secret. It's not about working harder, but working smarter. They've harnessed the power of technology, passive income, and low-effort side hustles to build wealth while maintaining their laid-back lifestyles. They've flipped the script on the traditional path to financial success, proving that you don't have to sacrifice your love for comfort and leisure to build a solid financial future. If they can do it, why can't you? What if you could save money without even noticing? Imagine this. You're deep into your latest Netflix binge, and while you're immersed in the thrilling world of your favorite show, your bank account is quietly amassing wealth. Yes, it's possible, and no, it doesn't require a secret treasure map or a winning lottery ticket. This magic trick is called automated savings. It's like having a diligent squirrel stashing away acorns for the winter while you're lounging in your comfy nest. Automated savings apps are your digital squirrels. They sneak into your bank account, whisk away small amounts each day, and stash them in a savings account. It's such a small amount, you won't even notice it's gone. But over time, these little nibbles add up to a hearty feast. Think of it as your money having babies and those babies making more babies. Before you know it, you've got a whole dynasty of dollars working for you. And the best part, these apps do all the heavy lifting. It's like having your own personal finance butler. All you need to do is set your savings goal, decide how much you want to save each day, week, or month, and then sit back and let the app do its thing. It's the easiest money you'll ever make, and you don't even have to pause your show. With automated savings, you can build wealth while snoozing on your couch. Investing doesn't have to be a full-time job. Let that sink in. Just like you don't need to be a Michelin star chef to enjoy a good meal, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to grow your wealth. Now let's talk about low-effort investments. Picture this. You're a champion of leisure, but you've also got some money to grow. Enter index funds and Robo Advisors. Imagine the stock market as a bustling supermarket. Instead of buying a single item, or in this case, a single stock, index funds allow you to buy a little bit of everything. Like getting a pre-packaged meal deal, you're diversifying your plate or portfolio without the hassle of picking each item individually. When the overall market does well, so does your index fund. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that gives you more time for your Netflix marathons. Now, for those of us who can't even be bothered to choose a meal deal, there's another option, Robo Advisors. These are like your personal finance butlers. You tell them your financial goals and risk tolerance, and they'll do the rest. They'll pick your investments, manage your portfolio, and even do the rebalancing for you. It's like having Alfred from Batman handle your money while you kick back and enjoy your Gotham City. But remember, while these investments are low effort, they're not no effort. You still need to periodically check in on your portfolio, just like you check the fridge to make sure your leftovers haven't grown a new ecosystem. So, whether you're a part-time couch potato or a full-time leisure enthusiast, these investment strategies can work for you. They're like the slow cooker recipes of the financial world. Just add your ingredients, set the timer, and let it simmer. And just like that, you've got a hearty stew of investments bubbling away, growing your wealth while you're busy doing, well, whatever it is you love doing. See, investing can be as easy as binge watching your favorite show. So go ahead, press play, and let your money work for you. Who says you need to break a sweat to earn extra cash? Let's venture into the world of side hustles that are tailor-made for the leisure-loving, comfort-craving individuals among us. First up, selling on eBay or Etsy. Envision this. You're lounging on your couch, sorting through your vintage collection or handmade crafts and listing them online for sale. Sound like a dream? Well, with platforms like eBay and Etsy, it's a reality. People are constantly searching for unique finds or personalized gifts, and they're willing to pay for it. Just take a few photos, write a captivating description, and voila, you've opened up another revenue stream right from your living room. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you're a fan of a product or a service, why not make some money from your love for it? With affiliate marketing, you can do just that. All you need to do is promote a product, and every time someone makes a purchase using your unique link, you get a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but without the hassle of a 9-to-5 job. Now let's meet Jane, a self-proclaimed queen of naps who's made a tidy sum from these side hustles. She started with selling vintage clothes on eBay during her Netflix binges, then dabbled in affiliate marketing for her favorite loungewear brand. The result? A steady stream of passive income that supports her love for leisure. So remember, there's no rule that says earning money has to be hard work. With the right side hustle, you can earn money while you chill. Remember the story of the tortoise and the hare? Slow and steady wins the race. Let's apply this wisdom to your wealth-building journey with a little thing called compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and bigger. That's how compound interest works. You start by investing a small amount, and as time goes by, the interest you earn on your initial investment starts earning interest of its own. The snowball effect. And the best part, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and let time do its magic. This is not about making quick money, it's about letting your money work for you over decades. So, whether you're investing $100 or $1,000, remember, slow and steady, just like our friend the tortoise. So even if you're a slow saver, you can still win the wealth race. Building wealth doesn't have to feel like running a marathon. It's more like a leisurely walk in the park. Let's jog your memory a bit. We've seen that even the laziest of us can become millionaires by making smart financial choices. Remember, automated savings apps are your friends, making saving as seamless as ordering a pizza. And speaking of pizza, why not invest the change from your next delivery into low-maintenance investments like index funds or Robo Advisors? It's a piece of cake. Or how about a side hustle that requires minimal effort, like online surveys or affiliate marketing? You can do it while binging on your favorite Netflix show. The real secret ingredient is the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and bigger. Even small investments can grow significantly over decades. So go ahead, binge watch your favorite show, take that nap, and let your money work for you. Did you enjoy our Lazy Millionaire's Guide to Wealth Building? If you're now feeling inspired to lounge your way to riches, go ahead and smash that like button. It's your way of telling us you want more content like this. And why not share your own lazy wealth building strategies in the comments section? We're always on the lookout for fresh, low-effort ideas. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop a new video. Remember, building wealth doesn't have to be hard work, so stay tuned for more lazy millionaire tips.